Hey everyone, Sheevaun here. I wanted to pop in here and do this video that I've been thinking about for a little bit about these really interesting times. How to make good decisions in trying times. Man, this is a really interesting topic, I think. I have a couple clients who are going through some really big opportunities because of the fields that they're in, and we're having to have many extra calls and support. And I think that decision making is actually a very critical piece of what trying times are about. So a couple of things I want to make sure to share with you. One of those is you want to take a look at the decisions you've made and look at them in terms of forgiving yourself for choices that you did or did not make sooner. Forgiving yourself for choices, I thought this was a string, forgiving yourself for choices that are going to be challenging, right? So I want you to look at the decisions you've made and really just stay in forgiveness around that. I forgive, I release, I let go. Thank you for that decision. And then we're going to say, I'm going to have to pivot. So forgive yourself for not being prepared for this trying time. I think that's a big, important piece because we usually don't take that opportunity. We think, oh, shoulda, woulda, coulda. Let's forgive ourselves for not being prepared, not being as flexible, not having things lined up, not having more savings, etc. So let's forgive ourselves for that because we have to release some of this pent up energy of tension and stress and worry and fear and anxiety. And then the thing that you want to next think about is a couple of choices that you get to make. If I do this, will this help me in the long run? If I do this, will this help me in my future? If I do this, will this help me get closer to my goal? If I do this, is this in alignment with my values and what I choose to do? So one of the things I am aligned with is trees, helping grow trees, and this earth and the sea, and feeding the homeless. And during these trying times, we're looking at all different kinds of ways to feed more home. We have about 300, at least, that I am helping on a regular basis to feed and share food with, and shelter and information, etc. And so, is this in alignment with my values? And is this in alignment with where I'm going? Because generally when people are in difficult circumstances, they are problem thinking, meaning they're thinking about the least common denominator and thinking about the worst has already happened. And I want you to think about potentiality of things that could happen if things get better. Because if you're not in solution-oriented mode, you're going to be problem creating. And then you have to give yourself 3 options, and you have to go back to is this something I want to be, do, or have? Is this going to help me today, tomorrow, or far off in the future? If it's far off in the future, this is not relevant. If it's today and you need today decisions, then you really need to take action on those today, and you need to decide again and take action, and decide again and take action. And at the end of all of this, what you want to do is you want to remember that forgiving yourself for having to make hard choices, forgiving yourself for maybe being super intense or maybe not as kind and perfectly worded as you otherwise could be, and also forgive yourself for not being there yet. Anyway, so that's today's video. I really hope and appreciate that you've gotten something from this. If you felt this was valuable, subscribe to our channel below, share this, and you can find me at SheevaunMoran.com. And that's SheevaunMoran.com. And if you want to start working on yourself immediately and really getting your alignment with your business and your values, go to epiclifetoolkit.com. EPICLIFETOOLKIT.com. My name's Sheevaun Moran, and until next time, may your days be healthier, happier, more vibrant, more solution-oriented, and much more calm. Have a great day.